Okay, all praises and glory to Yahweh, by Hashem Yahweh Shah, by Hashem Rakar Kodash. Now, what we're looking at on the screen are service lights that are found in cars. And usually these indication appears in the car when the car needs repairs or assessment. And is usually oftentimes triggered by the sensors. Now, you may ask, why is this essential? Because the same way a car needs repairs and assessments, we need to do repairs on ourselves, make assessments within ourselves. And the same thing with a car. Once you repair or make the assessments on the car, usually the lights goes away. Same thing with us. You go through things in life, or the Most High put places misfortunes and uncomfortable circumstances in our life for the sole purpose of making repairs and assessments. And when we make those assessments, the circumstances usually go away. But we have to make those assessments. Now, what I want to do first is read the book of Luke chapter 21 and 36. And it says, "Watch ye therefore and pray always." And that's the thing. Oftentimes we don't pray as often as we should. And the main thing is prayer. And yes, we have the brotherhood, and you could ask for prayers at times, but the Lord places us in circumstances because these circumstances oftentimes are circumstances we have to deal with ourselves and alone. So the main thing, you have to pray for yourselves. And part of prayer is having faith. That's why the Lord set it up that you pray when you get into these circumstances. So that you can communicate with the Lord. So it says, "Watch ye therefore and pray always, that ye may be accounted worthy to escape all these things that shall come to pass, and to stand before the Son of Man." Now the Son of Man is Yahweh Shah. And the main thing is, when we appear before Yahweh Shah, we want to be found worthy, right? That's what we're doing. We making assessments, we making repairs, we examining ourselves. Anything that we deem or we feel that the Lord would deem to be unacceptable, we making those changes. So what? So that we can escape all these things that should come to pass. And what are the things that should come to pass? The events prophesied in the Bible. Now, what are the events? Famine, pestilence, earthquakes, Jacob's trouble, which is comprised of the mark of the beast. All these temptations that are going to take place on the earth, all the plagues that the Lord going to bring, and the ultimate thing is the nuclear destruction. So that's why we making assessments. And it says, "And to stand before the Son of Man." Now, when we read the book of Ephesians chapter 4 and 21, it says, I'm going to begin at verse 21 first on down. It says, "If so be that ye have heard him and have been taught by him, as the truth is in Yahweh Shah, that ye put off concerning the former conversation the old man, which is corrupt according to the deceitful lust." So that's what we doing. We stripping away the old man because it's the old man that separate us from the Lord. Because the old man is catering towards the flesh rather catering to the spirit. And it says, and be renewed in the spirit of your mind, meaning having a new mind frame. That's why things happen. That's why we go through things. That's why we catch hell. That's why we're never in a comfortable estate. Because the Most High, He places us in these circumstances so we could cry to Him and build that relationship with Him. And the Lord put us in pain to keep us in the spirit. Because when you're going through pain and uncomfortability, that makes you want to cry out to the Lord even more. The same way with artists that make music. You get the best music from artists when they broke. And you know, sometimes they homeless or they going through pains, a lot of pain through life, and they become the best songwriters. And they write the best songs. And the moment that they become rich and receive the fame, the music is never the same again. Because when it was in pain and didn't have it, they was able to tap into that element of that talent when they was depressed, when they was unhappy. And the Lord gave us talent. And the more that we go through pain, it makes us tap into the talents that the Lord gave us. Now, verse 24, and it says, and that ye put on the new man, which after the Most High, Yahweh Ba'ashem Yahushua, is created in righteousness and true holiness. Wherefore putting away lying. And that's the thing. If you was a liar in the world, you got to be a man of truth now. Because you know what? A lot of times a guy may think that just because he tell a small lie is insignificant. No, a lie is a fucking lie. Whether it's a small lie or a big lie, it's still a lie. Now it says, speak every man truth with his neighbor. We are members one of another. Be ye angry and sin not. Let not the sun go down upon your wrath, neither give place to the devil. So the more you cater to the flesh, what's going to happen? You're giving a place for the devil. You're leaving a door open for Satan to enter into your mind and make bad decisions and do the things that's unacceptable with the Lord. Now let's go to St. John 3. Give me 1 second. Like, you know what? Let me go straight to 2 Corinthians. Now 2 Corinthians chapter 13 and 5. It says, examine yourselves. What do it mean to examine yourselves? You make an assessment. Things that need to be repaired. Now it says, whether ye be in the faith, prove your own selves. Know ye not your own selves how that Yahweh Shah is in you, except you be reprobates. There you go. So you have to be the one to look at the things that need to be worked on. You know, but you have to do it. Don't wait for the another man to bring it towards your attention. You're supposed to be the first one. Let me see something up. I don't know what I had after, but so you know, pretty much I'm just ended with that. And Lord willing, this video was edifying. Until next time, I'm gonna say all praises and glory to Yahweh, by Hashem Yahushua, by Hashem Rakah Kodash. Shalom.